My God, you guys, it is bright, sunny, and warm here in Tucson today. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you my pre trip inspection and maintenance of the axle and suspension assembly before we head out on what should be about 200 miles, give or take, of a network of dirt trails in western Arizona. Now, you guys know that we're going to swap all of this axle and suspension out, but I wanted to sneak in this epic trip just one more time before it gets too hot. And so in order to do that, I'm going to have to go ahead and maintenance all this stuff one more time. And I thought I'd just share the checklist with you. So here we go. guys, other than maybe needing to give it a bath, this machine is good to go, ready to set sail pretty safely. I'm confident we can head into the backcountry and not become the weak link out there on the trail. And again, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I'll try to film our adventure along the way and get it posted here on YouTube. You guys take care, and I'll see you on the trail.